Sail training, it's real. It's about getting a bunch of people in one common environment with one common goal and get done the job of sailing the ship.
It's important to imagine the days when tall ships plied the harbors and coastlines of America. Happily, they still have a place in the lore of American history. Tall ships rendezvous attract thousands of people each year to pay homage to these traditional sailing vessels.
Welcome aboard, folks.
Sail training keeps the traditions of the past fresh and alive for today's young sailors.
The best part of it is the lifestyle. I get to travel around, take my home with me, and get to do cool stuff like this.
Sailing and maintaining a tall ship requires special skills that last a lifetime. Organizations like Tall Ships America and the United States Coast Guard offer an educational path that focuses on sailing, seamanship, and personal growth.
It makes you value what you've created a lot more. It gives you a stronger connection with the ship that you've helped to create and the crew that you're a part of.
Sailors in these programs learn how to handle sails, rigging, and maintain a wooden vessel, and learn how to build a team and develop leadership skills. Through tasks like navigation, steering, and going aloft, they gain the self-confidence to excel.
Set topsail and then brace sharp.
That's 2 points at topsail, brace sharp, bye.
There's always excitement when exploring new ports and experiencing endless sunsets. Sail training vessels provide a unique opportunity for people of all ages and skill levels to enjoy an offshore or coastal sailing experience.
Okay, fire!
The past lives on aboard these historic and magnificent sailing vessels of yesteryear.
Words cannot describe when you're at sea and they kill the engine and it's just quiet and you look up and see all that sail.